So the last time you guys saw an AK-50 video was about a month ago, where we showed off the AK-50 successfully test firing and cycling multiple rounds from a magazine. Hell yeah. Let's talk about the 50.
Big Russian gun, part of my personality. AR guys are always like we live in a society. Iron sight already, ammo cheap, of which I have a lot. On your way up, don't forget your cheap as well, my threaded dot. Grab the wheel, Mikhail, that's not AK, it's Khalil. Grab the wheel, Mikhail, 762, you debil. Grab the wheel, Mikhail, that's not AK, it's Khalil. Grab the wheel, Mikhail, 762, you debil.
AK-50, AK-50, AK-50. They say it cannot be done. AK-50. Look at us and we can walk.
Hey, what is up, you YouTube sexy mother lovers? In the tracksuit mafia, you talking with the mob boss. Scratches on my egg, kind of looking like a Bob Ross. You can expect private window hiding under colors. Like, hey, what is up, you YouTube sexy mother lovers? Hey, what is up, you YouTube sexy mother lovers?